Sarda, good showing this quarter, but can you tell us about what the launch pipeline is? What are the new launches that you'll have over the next few quarters, and what could that do to your, your pre-sales run rate?
So for the next couple of quarters, we have two launches which are going to come at Bangalore. One is at Hosur Road, Electronic City. We have one project called iTower Exente. 0.6 million square feet is what we are going to launch over there. And another 0.2 million square feet is at Koramangala project, again based out of Bangalore only. These are the two launches we are planning at Bangalore in next financial year. And as far as Pune goes, one launch based out of Ivy Estate project, which is 0.8 million square feet. And one launch we are planning at Life Republic, a new sector altogether, R16, which is also again 1.3 million square feet. So these are the four launches for financial year 17-18 is what under pipeline.
Okay. Some numbers on volumes of sales done in the fourth quarter and what is already booked for the first quarter?
You are talking about financial year 17-18?
Yes, yes. 17 year. Yeah, I mean, we are almost through with 2 months. So what did you all do in terms of volume of sales in the last quarter and how much this quarter?
So as far as last quarter,
the Q4, yeah.
Yeah. So financial year 17 Q4, the company recorded new sales booking of 0.55 million square feet as compared to 0.32 million square feet in Q3 financial year 17 and 0.57 million square feet in Q4 financial year 16. Yeah. And the value of area stood at rupees 327 crore.
Yeah. I wanted to have a better idea of Q1 since you already know some of it.
So as far as the Q1 goes, I think it's just April month we done a decent sales. So what as per our quarter-on-quarter basis run rate, we have maintained the same velocity. Okay. As far as May is concerned, I think you have to take the number by end of the month. But still, we are maintaining the existing quarter-on-quarter pre-sales numbers.
Okay. You spoke about 2 new launches in Bengaluru and 2 in Pune for FY18. Can you tell us what would the average realizations be both in Bengaluru and Pune for these launches? Will it be higher than the 6,000 rupees a square feet that you clocked in Q4?
Absolutely. So as far as Bangalore goes, Koramangala is a very prime location, so wherein we are expecting 10,500 to 11,000 as per square feet price realization. As far as Hosur Road goes, there we are expecting 5,500 as an overall price realization. And Pune Ivy Estate is somewhere around 42 to 4,400, and the Life Republic project would be somewhere around 5,000-ish.
Okay. Gopal, good morning. You know, the feedback that I have is that a lot of small companies are selling off their land banks to large companies post RERA. Would that be true, and would that mean that the larger players would become much larger going forward from here?
Absolutely. So now you see there are a lot of, it's like a complete, this has been a year of transition for the real estate sector with several positive initiatives undertaken by the government to spur consumer sentiment, boost demand. So like GST, RERA, demonetization, suppose that I think only organized developers can perform well and they'll get a lot of benefits. So small guys will go to the big developers and a lot of consolidation will happen. So we not have to invest heavily in the land. On the contrary, under DMA or some sort of cash flow sharing arrangement, a proposal is going to come to us.
Okay. So can you give us some idea of what you are doing on affordable housing? Anything that has already started off?
Absolutely. So as far as the affordable housing goes, what we are doing is that we have some existing land parcels wherein also we are evaluating proposals, and on the same contrary, few new deals are also coming. So we are evaluating that, but we want to maintain Kolte-Patil position as a 360-degree real estate portfolio wherein affordable, MIG, luxury, super luxury and townships will be there.
No, the subvention, see the government subvention runs out on December 31st. That is only 7 months. I guess you can avail of it only if you already have any affordable housing project started, isn't it?
Yeah, so there are a lot of clarity needs to be taken. So there are one cutout date, and as far as the existing projects wherein we have got some approval, is there any possibility to get the revised approvals under affordable? So all those things we are evaluating, and at appropriate time we will communicate to the market.
Okay, and just in general, how is the demand situation playing out now in both pockets of Bengaluru and Pune? Is it much better than what we saw during the demonetization times?
Absolutely. So if you see November, December was bad, the sales have dropped drastically. January and February, we have seen the uptick, and as far as the March was concerned, it was a fantastic month for us. It was best of the month as far as the last year goes. So sales have started picking up, and we see a stable sales coming over a period of time. Only in recent whatever RERA has happened, so probably consumer will take some time. They are expecting registration to go on, and then post that they'll again start buying the apartment. Okay. So I think sales will be normal in next 2-3 months time when the registration will be happening. And we are looking a very positive atmosphere, and going forward, I think real estate, it's like a complete sectorial transformation.
Fair enough, Gopal.
This is a very good era for organizers.
Sure, Gopal. Point taken. Thanks a lot for your time today. That's the Kolte-Patil. Real estate has done well. Well, Reliance Communication, by the way, has moved 8% lower now. So just keep an eye on this stock. In fact, rest of the ADAG pack as well has moved lower. So